We wanted to help you create a fail-proof mindset to 10x your confidence. I want you to show up even if you feel like a failure. We want you to show up even if you feel like you're not worthy, even if you feel like you've tried every training already in the friggin' books. We know a lot of you feel like you have to rebuild a new team because your people just stopped working, and you feel lost and frustrated, and you feel like you really have to start all over again. And all three of us have been there and created even better businesses on the other side. So what would your business look like if you knew for sure you couldn't fail? 1 in 5 successful entrepreneur create vision to take back control of their businesses. We're not just talking network marketing, direct sales, e-commerce. We're talking business. So when you have that, it's like, well, how can we create that vision for ourselves? How can we partner that with the tools to create massive momentum, not just in your business, but also in your money, in your future, in your relationships, in your life? See, most of the programs that are out there are teaching you the strategy of how to get more leads, how to get more recruits, and how to get more customers. But none of them are teaching you how to keep those recruits, keep those customers, and build a community that doesn't want to leave. Who cares if you can recruit 50,000 people, but if you can't keep them, what's the point? Listen, we've seen a lot of 6-figure plus earners completely go broke because they didn't have the tools and the strategies they needed to take their businesses to the next level. We created a program, and it's called Money Marketing Mindset Mastery. Okay, this isn't just like a go 1, 2, 3, do these DMOs on social media. No, this is like a complete retraining of your brain, reprogramming of your brain of how to get success, keep success, and grow that success at the same time. We're going to launch into a 6-week boot camp where you're going to work directly with myself, Bryn, and John Melton. You're going to get 6 weeks of detailed strategies and blueprints and the systems, along with the leadership to break through the limiting beliefs, the thoughts that are stopping you from building a massive freaking, not only network marketing business, but empire. And so after the boot camp, we want you to leave with an empire plan, not just like a make some money plan. You know what I mean?
And an empire mindset.
You're going to become a problem solver. You're going to turn those uncoachable team members into some of your best leaders on your team and create actionable plans that actually duplicate, that you'll be able to implement right away, by the way. This isn't like, oh, you'll see results in like 50,000 years. No, like we want you to start implementing it now. And the biggest part for me is that confidence that you're going to walk away with from us. You're going to walk in that leadership walk and swag, because we're going to help you expand that leadership. So there's so much more that you're going to get, but one of the fast acting bonuses that we just added, which I'm super excited about because it's one of my favorite things, is when you join us in the next 72 hours, you are going to get complete access instantly to my SOS Instagram tracking guide, where I tell you how to beat the algorithm, where you should be spending your time, who do you talk to. And I'm going to give you my cheat sheet of 6 ways to dominate your Instagram Reels, which, let's just be clear, I just recruited someone today off of Instagram Reels.
Also our ATM Business Academy. We're throwing that in there too.
So there's 2 options, but I'm going to talk about the VIP all-in option right now. And here's what makes this option so different. You will receive 24/7. Well, that's really not 24/7 because I sleep, they sleep, but you're going to have access to us on demand inside of a support messenger chat, where during the 6 weeks, not only the Facebook group, you're going to have John, myself, and Bryn inside of a chat where we can answer your on-demand questions. Is that not insane? We don't do that. There's only 200 spots because there's only 200 spots in the chat. The first 200 people that choose this option are the first 200 and only 200 people that are going to have that option of the chat. Option 2, you're going to get the 6 weeks with us, the instant access to the private Facebook group for the 6-week boot camp. You guys will have access to all the recordings for 1 year. Okay, so for 1 year, so you can implement this in step by step. We don't overwhelm our teams, and we're sure as heck not going to overwhelm you. No, it doesn't matter what company you're with. And here's the thing, right? This is generic information, but we're going to make it specific to you. So let me explain how that works, right? We're going to really find out what company you're all in when y'all come in to this Facebook group, because we want to make sure we give you in real time examples of if it's health and wellness, if it's service-based, if it's beauty, if it's makeup, if it's skincare. So don't feel like, oh my gosh, it's only going to be about one thing. No, this will be a generic, but we're going to make it as specific and customized to you coming into this group. And okay, so yeah, here's the other question. Who is this for, right? Look, I don't care if you're just getting this party started or if you've been doing this party for a minute. If you feel like you don't know what your plan is for 2022 to create an empire or to help someone else duplicate an empire, this is definitely for you. Beginners, this is definitely for you. For those of you that are like, I'm already a leader, but we don't have this awesome duplication going on, this is definitely for you. There is no one size fits all, I will be clear. So we are going to customize this based on the feedback we get from you inside of the group.
Well, and here's one thing I want to add too, and probably one of the things I'm most excited about that we are going to be covering is if you're a leader making a crap ton of money, this is also still for you, because the problem is most people have no idea what to do with that money. And us three have really learned a lot over the years on not only how to make the money, but then how to take that money to make more money and how to set ourselves up in a way to where we are good. We are going to have the conversations about money that other people are not having, because it's one of the biggest pieces on you actually leveling up and creating real financial success.
Amen. You want to make it, protect it, grow it. That's the key to success. And none of that happens without escalated information, like that elevated conversation. And I think this is like a cheat code. It's like you're fast forwarding the information. And there's, when we talk about investing money, there is no better investment than the investment in yourself.
From the very beginning, we want to show you what we wish we would have done from the very beginning that we're implementing now. Elizabeth says, will there be tangible materials provided for future reference? If you have ever been a part of anything I have done or anyone has done on this, yes. That's how we roll. I like people to be able to see it and think it and ink it. So yes, you will have tangible questions.
People are just now asking, they're like, just what's the link? They're like, I'm in, where's the link? How do I get on? I'm like, oh yeah.
mylifestyleacademy.com/bootcamp.